Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word congregations. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The church welcomed new members to their congregations with open arms. Congregations refers to groups of people who gather for religious worship or other communal activities at a church or place of assembly. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.